Hello, I'm Fontani the Skull Ghost. Today I'm very happy because I got this package from VR with some great accessories for the Oculus Quest. I'm very curious to discover what they sent me for a review. Discover it with me. Okay, so let's open this DHL package with scissors and yeah, so happy. So what we have here. This is a fashion interface for replacement for the Oculus Quest. Look. We have this very fluffy interface that we can put on the Quest to be more comfortable. This also is great. I love touching it. And then we have some clothes to clean it and instructions to install it on our lovely VR device. So this is the first thing. Then what we have here, okay. Okay, so disposable hygiene collar. So this is very useful if you have to do some exhibitions. And they pair very well with the other accessory. So as you can see, they're white, you can use only one. So every person that is in line to try your experience uses one. I used something similar in Nanchang when I made people try hit motion on the right focus, but actually those ones were very bad. They were not from VR cover. And now I want to see if these are really good because it is not easy to do comfortable disposable face masks. And this is a cover, another one, always for the Oculus Quest. If I understand how to open it, that's good. And okay. So instructions. Another clothes to clean the headset. My headset will be very clean. And these instead are not disposable. You can use them on the headset. So you make these dirty with your sweat or whatever, and then you can wash them. So this is very precious. I will love them. And last things, but maybe the best one is this fantastic t-shirt from the cover. So let's open it. So have you ever had a VR t-shirt? Now I have. So a lot of gifts that I want to review very soon on my blog. So stay tuned to discover more about the VR cover products. For now, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.